What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Fresh D back. As you can see, another cleaning video. We got something special for you today. As you can see, we actually brought out our ultimate kit for this because these Inikis, I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't know what happened to them. A little behind the scenes insight, it does take a team to put these videos together. So sometimes team members will either like wear a pair of shoes to get them dirty, or we'll just get them dirty for the sake of a video. These actually belong to Quinn. So I'm not sure, because of the recent storms and rain we've had, that maybe he was walking through mud, something happened, I don't know. But we brought out the ultimate kit to try to see if we can get these clean today. First thing we're gonna wanna do before even attempting to clean this, since it does have a lot of dry dirt on it, we're gonna wanna actually go outside, try to take off as much of this mud as possible. That's always the first step you wanna do. You don't wanna start cleaning right away and rub this into the rest of the material. You wanna get as much of it off as possible before you even get into brushing it. So actually, let's go outside and see if we can get as much of this dirt off as we can. All right, guys, so we're back inside. We got all the dry mud off. So first thing, get our towel. We'll lay your towel out so you get a nice little cleaning surface. Pop our little trusty bowl out. Fill it with some water from our trusty Reshoevn8r mug. Don't mind the spillage. Our ultimate kit does come with the big bad 16-ounce solution. What I usually do when I have a cleaning session is I'll wait until there's a couple of shoes stacked up and then I'll clean them all at one time. So usually what I like to do is put like a squirt or two. This is only gonna be one shoe, so get our shoe trees like always, adjust these to size. So with these shoe trees, I know some people have still had some questions about it. So the first thing you wanna do is actually pull this little tab piece right here and pop it up. And then you can get access to these little prongs right here. Squeeze them to get it loose. And then that's how you get it loose and adjust it to size. These are 9.5. So from previous experience, I wanna say it's gonna be about the 5th hole. So that's 5th hole from the front. Always put it in there, test for tension. This actually could be a little tighter. So I'm just gonna adjust it, same thing, just pinch this and then you just move it forward to get more tension. So let's go up to the next hole. This is the 4th hole from the front. There you go, that's the amount of tension you want. So now that we have that shoe tree set in there, next thing we're gonna do is get our soft bristle brush. Since this is like a neoprene and this has like some suede material on it, you always wanna start soft brush for delicate materials. So just give it a couple of dips into our solution water mixture and start scrubbing this upper. There you go, you wanna get all that suds action. Look at that, Lee, rookie mistake. Forgot to take off the laces. So we finished up with the soft brush on the upper. Another thing I'd like to do is just pat this down to see progress. The other thing I was pretty cautious about too, it happened a little bit, was the midsole, because the boost still does have a lot of mud on it. So I tried not to wet it as much, so I'm just not remixing that mud into the upper. Move on to our stiff bristle to clean this boost. All right, guys, that wraps it up on the outsole. I want to hit up the upper with our all-purpose medium bristle brush again, just because there were some dark areas up here on this little toe cap piece. You just want to be careful. It's not too abrasive, so it should be fine. Whoa, look at all that dust from the mud earlier. So that'd be a good thing. Clean some of that off. You don't want to mix that back in. Just gonna dip a little bit into the water, shake it off, and just kind of hit up this little toe cap. There's just a few small areas, so I'm not really gonna go over the whole thing again. So like I said, we are gonna throw these in the wash, so I'm gonna get our laundry bag. So you wanna make sure you grab this, put it in your laundry bag. We're also gonna take our laces, dip them in the solution. I like to squeeze out as much excess and then just run them between your hands. So then you're also gonna throw your laces inside your laundry bag as well. So then you're gonna wanna fasten this down. So you just pull the string at the top. There's this little plastic lace lock at the top. You wanna make sure you slide that all the way down, then lock that. For extra security, I also like to tie a knot. And then at the side one also, this secures the shoe. If you're only cleaning one shoe in this instance, definitely gonna help. Usually if you have two shoes, it's pretty tight, so you don't always have to fasten this one down. Same thing, pull the lace lock down, lock it, and then tie a knot. So let's take our laundry detergent and head over to the laundry room. All right guys, so we're back in our laundry room. Let's put our detergent back here for now. So you wanna take your washer, turn it on, place the shoe inside. Now, when cleaning this, the settings might be a little bit different, but there's a couple rule of thumbs. Always wanna use cold water. So our thing's already set to cold. This is just one shoe, so we'll just use a small load. And then normal cycle. So now that we have that in there, get our detergent, squeeze some into the little reservoir, pour it into the washing machine. Then you just wanna close the lid, hit start. You're good to go. So we'll be back when that's done and finish wrapping this up. All right guys, we're back. We let these dry in the wash. As you can see, they cleaned up really nice. The one thing I do wanna point out though, is as you can see by how dirty this one was, it had super caked in mud. So inside the crevices, there is a few little small spots, but it's not anything to get too worked up about. So I'm gonna go ahead, lace these up. Before I do that, I'm gonna wanna brush this suede out. All right guys, so as I was brushing this, I know there's a few little dark spots right here. So I'm gonna take our eraser, which also does come in the Ultimate. I'm telling you guys, this thing is such a great value. You get pretty much every product we offer in it. But so with these dark spots, I'm gonna use the eraser, just try to go over it a little bit and see if I can get some of those out. That wraps up the dry brushing. We're gonna go outside, spray it with some ink oil, see if we can get some of that color back. All right guys, looking pretty good. Let's head back inside. I'm super happy with this cleaning. As you can see, it's night and day with this. Quinn's gonna have fun cleaning that other one. So we used our Ultimate kit to get this clean. We used a lot of the tools that were in there, as you guys see. That's why this thing's such a good deal. I think I've said that a few times, but I mean, you pretty much get everything in there. One thing I wanna do as we're rolling this outro is spray this. So leave us a comment down below and let us know what you guys thought, or what's the worst thing that's ever happened to a pair of your shoes. Make sure you leave us a like. Until next time guys, it's Fresh D signing out.